Carabineros de Chile are the Chilean national police force, who have jurisdiction over the entire national territory of Chile. Created in 1927, their mission is to maintain order and create public respect for the laws of the country. They reported to the Ministerio de Defensa Nacional through the Undersecretary of Carabineros, but since 2011, the Ministry of the Interior and Public Security has full control over them. They are in practice separated fully from the three other military branches by department but still considered part of the armed forces. Chile also has an investigative police force, the Investigations Police of Chile, also under the Interior and Public Security Ministry. A maritime police also exists for patrol of Chile's coastline. The origins of the Carabineros can be traced back to night watchmen such as the Dragones de la Reina and other organizations that fulfilled functions such as the watch and local policing. Later, cities such as Santiago and Valparaiso created their own city police forces. In 1881, the rural police was created for the rural areas of the country. However, the main problem with these police services was that they were dependent on local authorities for day-to-day decision-making. This led to local officials abusing this power for their own political ends. In 1896, the Policia Fiscal was created to serve the cities. The first policing organization with the name Carabineros was the Corps of Carabineros. In Spanish, Cuerpo de Carabineros was created, which until 1935 trained all officers and non-commissioned sworn personnel. On April 27, 1927, President Carlos Ibáñez del Campo merged the Fiscal Police, the Rural Police, and the existing Corps of Carabineros to form the Carabineros de Chile, one unified, paramilitary and national security institution under the direction of the national government. The organization still carries the name given to it by Ibáñez, who became the Carabineros' first Director General. In 1929, its official coat of arms, two white-crossed carbines in a green shield, was formally adopted. The service in 1930 became one of the pioneer mobile police forces in Latin America. By 1933, the Investigations Police of Chile was created in the basis of the Investigations Service. The roots of today's NCO school began in 1934 when in Santiago's Muccal commune, the service's mounted command began training NCOs and enlisted personnel independently. In 1939, the service received its own staff college, the Police Sciences Academy, and the Mounted Training Squadron began the present-day NCO school in 1951. The Air Operations Prefecture, the air arm of the service, was raised in 1960. In 1962, it became the first Chilean uniformed service to include women in its ranks. The next year, the Children and Fatherland Foundation was formed as its social responsibility arm for troubled kids and pre-teens. In 1973, the Carabineros, headed by General César Mendoza, later appointed Director General, joined the Chilean coup of 1973 under the lead of the Army, Navy and Air Force leaders that overthrew President Salvador Allende. As such, the Carabineros commander was a formal member of the military government junta, as well as members of the institution taking on administrative roles, such as being in charge of the Ministry of Education. In 1974, formal command of the service was handed over to the Chilean Ministry of National Defense, and it was integrated into the ranks and traditions of the Chilean armed forces as a result. Until 2011, this was the case for the service. From that year onward, it is a part of the Ministry of the Interior and Public Security. The Basic Training Center, which trains future personnel of the other ranks, was created in 1979. The role of Carabineros during the 2019 Chilean protests has been the subject of several reports by human rights organizations due to their alleged use of deliberate excessive force. These organizations have also received reports of torture, sexual abuse and rape. The National Institute of Human Rights reported a total of 232 eye injuries by the 25th of November, 163 as a result of rubber bullets. Regarding the use of rubber bullets, Sergio Micco, the director of the INDH, said that the organization had observed over 161 demonstrations in which they were used despite it being against protocol because of a lack of physical danger to Carabineros. The Carabineros mission is to maintain or re-establish order and security in Chilean society through civic education, service to the community, police work, and in a war situation, to act as a military force. Under the current Chilean constitution, the Carabineros are integrated directly into the armed forces in a state of emergency to better guarantee the public order. They also have a special armed police unit called the Special Police Operations Group. There is also an elite corps in charge of security in La Moneda Palace and for the President, the Presidential Guard Group, whose cover